Now, Christmas is just around the corner, and you may be in Jamaica or you may be abroad. You may want to buy some stuff off some of these websites like Shein, Amazon, Walmart, Temu, or if you're abroad, you may want to buy some stuff off those websites, send to your friends, family, and loved ones as a gift. The beautiful thing is, your free shipping account can accomplish that. So, start shopping online. Go ahead and empty your shopping carts. Buy yourself a gift, or you can send a gift to your friends, family, and loved ones anywhere in Jamaica. Yep, that's correct. We deliver anywhere in Jamaica. And if this is your first time, just remember your first package up to £5 is absolutely free.